Oh, that was very flattering. Say, excuse me.
How much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. Oh, so cute. She tries to sing alone.
That's very cute.
Did you see her big smile?
Yes, I did. Alyssa, where did your shirt go? I don't know. Did we take it off so you wouldn't get spaghetti all over it like you've gotten it on your tummy? Oh boy.
You know it's good when we're picking noodles off our tummy.
That's right. Oh yes.
Oh, spaghetti.
Look at the noodle. Landed right on your tongue. Tom. Alyssa, say bye-bye. Alyssa, say bye-bye. Bye-bye.